All right, good morning everybody. Well, the day has come. We're going to attempt to raise the beam. What my plan is to do is to cut them flush here with this beam and all the way down, and then put them on hangers and then raise the beam up and put them on hangers. So that's the plan. We have the resident expert is here.
Not even.
So we're gonna see. Hopefully it won't fall over on us, because then I don't know what we're gonna do. But hang in there. I'll put you guys on time lapse, and we can see what we can get into. Let me show you what I've done here. So we went ahead and put a temporary wall, just something to hold that little section of roof up. We just did it every other board, and now we're going to go through, mark them, tear some of the roof off a little bit so we have an easier way to cut, and then what, Boog?
Not sure.
Well, what do you do after you mark stuff?
Cut it.
All right.
Take it out.
So this is where we're at so far, guys. We've got it up to where we want it to go, the level. We got those straps up there just for safety. So let me turn you around. We got one of the hangers up there, one on this side, and we put one over there just so it doesn't want to fall over. So now that's up there. We had put this wood up here, and we had another one up there. Boog just took it down, but now we can put our posts in here on this side, one on the other side here. We'll get those posts in, and then we'll start putting all the hangers in, and then we'll rebuild this wall up here. All that was for is for drywall, so we'll do the same thing and clean everything up. But we'll show it to you as soon as we get the hangers and stuff on. We'll bring you guys back and show you. It wasn't hard, huh?
No, not at all.
Sketchy?
Sketchy though.
I'd give you the world like I promised I would. Even though you wouldn't do the same. I'd give you the world like I promised I would. Even though you wouldn't do the same. Had this conversation more than 10 times. After 9, I still wish you were mine. Haven't ate in 7 days, 'cause I've been up till 6 a.m. Wrote 5 songs all just for you. 3 of them I can't bear listening to. I'd give you the world like I promised I would. Even though you wouldn't do the same. I'd give you the world like I promised I would. Even
All right, everybody, there it is. It's done. I think we raised it up probably, I don't know, 12 inches. That's what it looks like on the other side. And I just ran the post down. On both sides. Wasn't too bad. It was easier than I thought it was going to be. Yeah, it was actually pretty easy. Let me know what you guys think. Leave a comment in the comment section, and I'll respond.